Hey everybody, so I'm going to make this quick and short. It's not going to be a regular video like I normally do today. We had a bunch of things come up, a couple family emergencies, or actually they're better known as family drama. I know you all have them in your family too. But we had to take care of that, which took a lot of time away. And we had a few other things come up that just didn't allow us to finish the video that needed to be out today. But I wanted to have something so you could at least continue to play the contest. So throughout this little short video, you're going to see a couple little clues. So stay tuned for Sunday. We'll have a full episode and a couple fun things coming along. And that will be all we have for this video. But I'll leave you with this. Has anybody ever seen a praying mantis? There you go. Right on the power cord. Pretty cool, huh? All right, see ya.